The meeting went very well. I was very pleased to hear from the minority leader, Mr. Samrensi and Mr. Khemsoka and other members, senior members of the CNRP, that the dialogue is continuing to carry out the reform needed to make democracy stronger, to make the rule of law more genuine, and for greater respect for human rights in this country. These were some of the recommendations I had made in various reports I have produced over the past 6 years while working as the United Nations Special Rapporteur in this country. That gives me a great personal and professional satisfaction with the progress that has been made. What was needed in this country was a dialogue between all stakeholders and mainly between the ruling party and the opposition party. Now that dialogue is continuing, the country is moving forward. This country has a great future, and I have been privileged to make a small contribution to the process of democratizing in the country. And thank you for your attention.
Currently, the Prime Minister of Cambodia start blaming to the leaders of the anti-party. And what do you think? There will be the dialogue will still continue or not?
Well, I'm not in a position to comment on each and every statement made by whether the Prime Minister or other people within the country. But what I can see, the spirit of cooperation, the spirit of dialogue in the greater interest of the people of this country seems to continue for some time to come. And I wish both the ruling party, the CPP and CNRP, all the best in making sure that the country becomes more prosperous and the economic development that will be achieved becomes equitable so that everybody can benefit from the fruits of democracy in this country. Thank you.
But how do you think the Prime Minister said yesterday the case arrest parliament member not yet finished? How do you think?
Well, I would like to read in more detail. I have not seen the actual text of the speech, and it was, I think, made only yesterday. So without having a look at it and without carrying out a proper assessment of it, I will not be able to comment on that one. But I hope after my meeting with the leaders of the CNRP, I am quite optimistic that the process of dialogue will continue between the two parties and the country will move forward. The country is in the process of democratization. The fact that there was an agreement between the CPP and the CNRP to amend the constitution, to establish or institutionalize the office of minority leader and carry out the reform of the NEC by the end of February. These all are encouraging signs. I hope nobody will do anything that will derail the process of reform, general reform and the reform of the NEC by the end of February this year. Thank you.